Look at that. I think next week, in 2 weeks they come out, right?
Yeah,
In 2 weeks.
that's the lilac.
Yeah. But I saw there is a white. So what you gonna do, hon? You go straight and then turn the left, and then we can go and fast.
It's closed.
Not in there. The next one where you turned before, and go there, and we're gonna wait. There's someone gonna. Oh, this is easy if they didn't.
So where am I gonna go? To the left?
To the right, and we go there. If not, we come back. Oh, look at that. Lots of people. No more parking. Have a place.
Look how
Oh my God, people. Lots of people. Look at people in the park. Wow. And they ride the boat. Paddle. I think this is the best festival because it's no rain. Wow, look at that. It's really lots. Let them out this one, huh? They are not giving away. You give away. Look at the people in the park, in the Tulips Festival. People in your front and in your... Just wait. Oh yeah, they have a problem now, the bus. I think the one wheels of the bus go in the hole.
Oh, you're right. I gotta go here.
Yeah. But just wait, hon. Have a car here. We will see what's going on. They still have a car there in the front. That is a tour bus. Have a hole.
I've never seen this many people in anything in Ottawa before.
Yeah, every tulips.
Not like this.
Yes, they are. If even the bad weather, they are like this. I think we go in Italy, have a parking in there.
Lots of people going this way, huh?
What did you volunteer before, Nick? Nini before is volunteer in this area, and then
I'm in a turning lane now. I'm gonna go there and try. It's almost 4 o'clock. We've been 1 hour. Where's that bus from? What does it say? La Sécurité. It's French.
Ay, dito na tayo ni.
Am I allowed to go from here?
Yeah. Oh, go.
try here. If we're allowed to turn right or no.
I'm not sure. Here? No.
Yeah.
This one is no. It's for the dealer. All these people is go in there. We'll see if someone out. Oh my God. Some people go into park. Be careful, can you get in here?
Not allowed to
You see?
park there.
Even there, they're parking. Can you go here? Wow, it's full of people parking in there. This one, they go to the parking.
I only have credit card. I don't have cash. You have any cash on you?
$10. I think they're not using for the. We need to. I can. It's
Oh,
not the one.
no
Okay.
exit.
To sip the car, here we go here inside. At least we're safe.
Yeah, so you gotta pay.
But at least save the car, you know.
Where do you turn?
It's gonna pop out of nowhere. Pop out of nowhere.
You're too lean, that's why. 16, 15. Let's go. Have sound.
I'm undercover. How's my hat look?
So bad. The tour bus have an accident there. What happened for this controlled tour bus? Police come there inside. Let's go on here.
It's transmission fluid, so that's
Going like this? Okay, let's go. You see all the explode the gas. Oh my God, that is dangerous. It will explode. It's dangerous. If you are in the tour bus,
they look like brand new fishing.
oh my God, that people. Ikaw naman mag-video sa amin at mag-picture. Yan, i-video mo magkuha ko ng pa-exit. Nagpipila man sa gitna. Kini, I'm going in there. Kuhaan mo akong video. Ani, nakahiga ni. I-upload ko yan.